Hey guys, welcome to iOS Hacker, where we share amazing iPhone tips and tricks to make your life easier. Apple has recently launched iOS 18.2, which brings the highly anticipated Genmoji and Image Playground features to iPhones and iPads that are compatible with Apple Intelligence. So if you have an iPhone 16 device, iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max, then you can now start using the awesome new Genmoji and Image Playground features. In this video, we will show you how you can start using them. But before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updates on our newest tutorials. Let's start with Genmoji first. To access the Genmoji feature, launch any app that gives you access to the keyboard. After accessing the on-screen keyboard, tap on the emoji button. When you are on the emoji keyboard, you have to tap on the smiley button located next to the describe an emoji text field. As soon as you tap on this, you will get access to the new Genmoji feature that lets you describe a Genmoji and then automatically generates it for you. Let's test it out. Let's type something like a cat eating a cake. The Genmoji feature will take a few seconds to process our command and then create a Genmoji for us. The Genmoji generator gives you 4 different options to choose from. You can swipe left to access alternate options. Let's try with another prompt. Let's type a tiger playing a guitar. And as you can see, iOS has created a really cute image based on our description. When you're satisfied with the end result, you can simply tap on the Genmoji or tap on the add button to add your newly created Genmoji to your message or note. Now let's take a look at the Image Playground feature. With Image Playground, you can describe any image and iOS will generate it for you. With Image Playground, you can generate an image with a person in it, or you can simply describe a scene and iOS will create it for you. Let's type something like mountain lion sleeping in rain. As you can see, the Image Playground has created a really nice scene based on our description. The app creates multiple options for us to choose from. Another interesting thing about the Image Playground app is that it gives you these suggestions with different themes, costumes, accessories, and places. You can tap on any of these suggestions and those changes are quickly added to your image. You can also remove different descriptions and make changes to your AI image. Once you are satisfied with your creation, you can tap on the Done button and share the image. That's it. This was a look at iOS's new Genmoji and Image Playground features that are part of Apple Intelligence in iOS 18.2 or later. What do you think about these features? Do you see yourself using them? Share your thoughts in comments below, and as always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.